You got your certificate of completion. Now, how do you get your CE credits renewed? That's what I want to show you today. And I'm going to just share my screen here. Okay, so essentially you go to ARRT.org, you log in at the top right here. It'll take you to a screen like this. You just put in your email address, mine in there, and you put your password in. And just hit login. It will take you to a screen like this. This is your dashboard. Now, if your CE credits are due, it'll tell you you are due to renew. So pretty straightforward. You have a renew button here at the right. You just click on that. It'll take you to this screen here. Now, you do have to pay a $30 fee for this. It shows you right here the amount due. And this is the page where it tells you how to complete the application, but it's super straightforward. You don't really need to read through all of this. Just scroll all the way down here and click Renew Now. It'll verify your contact information. Now you know where I live, so you can send me a thank you card for doing this video for you. Click Continue, and it'll take you here. This is where you want to be at, where it says Report CE. Now what you'll do is scroll all the way down, come right here where it says activity type, put in CE activity because that's what you're trying to do. Now, the approving governing body thing here is going to pop up on the side. Come over here where it says activity date, put in the month and the year that you completed the activity. So essentially when you get your certificate of completion, you'll just use the whatever date is on that certificate. And here the activity title, it's already auto-populating for me. So it's women's health, breast cancer, and mammography. Just type that in. You put in your CE reference number, whatever that may be, and then the amount of credits you got, which is 24, and the type, category A. Now, once you hit enter activity, all of that stuff is going to populate where it says date, title, report CE activities above, right? So all of this here populates here once you hit enter activity. Okay, so once that happens, you just hit continue. It'll take you to that page where you pay that $30 fee, and that's essentially it. Once you pay the fee, all of your information goes to the ARRT, and you renewed your credits. Simple. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care.